In pseudocode we are saying this: if the circle underneath the player is overlapping with ground material, then on ground is true, otherwise on ground is false. Then in our update function we check whether on ground is true whenever the player presses space in C hash, and simply means so uh, when a player presses space bar, then the on ground function is true. Now and simply means and, that is logical and or not. So according to logic gates it is and. By using and inside an if statement, we are testing whether two arguments are true. So if input dot get key code dot space and on ground, rb dot velocity is equal to new vector 2 rb dot velocity dot x comma 5 actually means if player presses jump and on ground is true, then add upward velocity, one final touch keeping the player upright. Except there is one small problem: Squarey currently tumbles and spins downstairs as though he had a few too many vodkas. so Squarey is falling. If you jump and then land on your head, you want to be able to take off again because the check ground game object will now be pointing up in the air. To fix this, we have to fix this problem. To fix this, click Squarey and find the constraint options underneath the rigid body component in the inspector. Here you will find the option to freeze rotation Z. Tick that box and Squarey angle will now be locked in a place. So now we know that Squarey is in upright position. You will notice a few other options here too, such as gravity scale, which controls how Squarey is affected by gravity, and a few others. We will be playing around with this in chapter 5. Now you can try creating a few floating platforms and having a little fun trying to cross them without falling off the screen. You might need to adjust your jump power a little for that your gravity scale, so just have some fun with it and take a moment now to reflect on what you have already accomplished. Only a short way in and you already have a character that you can jump around screen and level. That is quite fun to navigate. We have barely gotten started, so think what else you will be able to do before we finish. So now we have character which is jumping and which is upright.